Hi, and welcome to Altor Network's product walkthrough. This is meant to be a quick demonstration of Altor's software for protecting virtualized environments and cloud computing environments. For a more detailed look at our offerings, we urge you to visit www.altornetworks.com, where you can take a product test drive or download a free evaluation copy of our software. Let us begin. This is the home page for Altor version 4.0. Software for comprehensive visibility, compliance, and control of your virtualized environment or cloud computing environment. These quick view dashboards give a sense for the security posture of the overall network. Shown on the upper left, for instance, are the virtual machines which are being protected by Altor software, as well as those virtual machines which are running a default policy. On the right is an aggregate view of the overall compliance state for those virtual machines. And on the lower right, intrusion detection alerts are shown, broken down by severity. On the left, we see the applications and protocols which are present in the network. Let's take a look at the network detail information. Because Altor intercepts all packets flowing between and among virtual machines, it is able to show rich detail about the kinds of protocols and applications which are present in the network. This allows an administrator to identify and remove unwanted protocols and therefore traffic. Next, we take a look at the firewall. Traditionally, firewalls control access to and from servers. Very similarly, Altor's firewall controls traffic flow to and from virtual machines. It can apply these rules by a single virtual machine, and as in this case where the Corp Ecom virtual machine is being protected with rule sets for DNS, SMTP, and Telnet. Rules can also be defined globally and be applied to all virtual machines throughout the virtualized environment so that certain protocol types and traffic types are handled consistently throughout the network. Now we take a look at the intrusion detection functionality of the product. Altor integrates intrusion detection capabilities with its offering. This allows us to inspect traffic closely for the presence of malformed packets and malware. In the case where an alert is generated, detail is given as to what type of alert it is and how to mitigate. Altor also shows the alert sources so that the virtual environment administrator can create a rule to block the source of the unwanted traffic. Next, we look at virtual machine introspection. This is capability that allows Altor to show rich detail about each and every virtual machine, its operating system, applications, and services. Shown here are which operating systems, versions, and hotfixes are installed on all virtual machines throughout the network. In the compliance area, this information can be used to define rules for how virtual machines of a given compliance state should be handled. For instance, rules can be defined so that if virtual machines are discovered which do not have the proper level of operating system or the appropriate installed software, like antivirus, those virtual machines will be quarantined. The number of rules that can be created is limitless, as are the parameters which govern those rules. This concludes our quick product walkthrough. For more detailed information on our offerings, we urge you to visit www.altornetworks.com.